Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily change your Spotify's email address, so let's jump right into it. First, go ahead and open your browser and then go to spotify.com. If you're not logged in, just log in from there. If you are, go ahead and tap on the gear icon in the top right corner once this page loads up. From here, tap on view account. It will switch to French because of my region, so it's your lucky day if you're French. Go ahead and tap right here. And then tap on Modifier le profil, which stands for modify the profile or edit profile. From here, just to replace your email with the new one that you want to have in your account, maybe edit something else if you want. Once you're done, make sure you type in your password right here. And after that, go ahead and save the changements by tapping here in the bottom, and it will be saved in your account. Now that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.